Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear paper jam errors on your Brother MFC-J6555DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is any paper loaded in the multi-purpose tray or manual feed slot, remove it as well. Next, lift slightly upward on the paper support and gently remove it from the machine. If there is any jammed paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Locate the green flap at the top of the paper cavity and tilt it up and out of the way. Then check for additional jammed paper or paper scraps and remove any found. Turn to the back of the machine and open the jam clear cover. Remove any jammed paper by gently pulling with both hands. Close the jam clear cover. Next, open the multi-purpose tray or manual feed slot and gently remove any paper or paper scraps found. Now open the scanner cover. Check the platen area and remove any ripped paper or other obstructions. Verify that all blue packing tape has been removed from the printhead. If the printhead is in the locked position on the right side of the platen, press and hold the red X on the control panel for 5 seconds. When the printhead moves to the center, check the right side of the platen for jammed paper. Gently slide the printhead left and right and check for paper scraps trapped underneath the printhead. Close the scanner cover. Replace the paper support by fitting it into the channels on either side of the paper cavity and gently pushing it into place. Remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Check the paper for damage or irregularities that could prevent it from feeding properly. Also verify the weight and thickness of the paper. Follow the link on the screen for more information about paper specifications. Next, fan the paper and reload it into the paper tray. Ensure the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now replace the paper tray. Locate the maintenance sheet that came with your Brother machine. If you do not have the maintenance sheet, you can also use a letter-sized sheet of cardstock or photo paper. Regular paper cannot be used. On the touchscreen, press the red X to interrupt the jam error message. Press the setup icon. Then press Maintenance. Now press Remove Paper Scraps. Press Next. Insert the maintenance sheet into the space below the multi-purpose tray. Now press Start. The maintenance sheet will be pulled through the paper path, dislodging any hidden paper scraps. Pull out the paper tray and remove any scraps found. Reinstall the paper tray and press Next on the touchscreen. Open the scanner cover and remove any paper scraps in the platen area. Close the cover and press Close. Reinstall any paper removed from the MP tray or manual feed slot. Ensure that the paper guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper. On the touchscreen, press the ink icon. Then press Improve Print Quality. Now press Check Print Quality. Then press Start. If the quality check sheet prints successfully, the error is resolved. Press the Home button to return to the home screen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.